If you've ever wanted to tidy up your OneDrive, maybe to better organize your work and personal files, or just make things look a bit nicer in File Explorer, you might be wondering, can you actually rename your main OneDrive folder? By the end of this video, you'll know not only how to rename your OneDrive subfolders in a snap, but also through a clever workaround, how to change the name of that tricky primary OneDrive folder, the one that shows up as OneDrive Personal or with your company's name. Let's jump right in. First, if you simply want to change the name of a folder inside your OneDrive, like a project folder or something for school or photos, this part is really straightforward. If you're on the web, just head to OneDrive.com, sign in and find the folder you want to rename. Just click it to select and then click Rename in the top toolbar. Type in your new folder name, hit Enter, and you're done. It's quick, and this change will sync across all your devices. If you're using Windows, it's even easier. Pop open File Explorer, browse to your OneDrive folder, right-click the subfolder you want to rename and select Rename. Or if you're a keyboard shortcut fan like me, just press F2 when the folder is highlighted. That's it. Remember, renaming folders like this won't affect how OneDrive syncs your files. They'll still appear exactly where you expect on all your devices. So don't worry, this is an easy, risk-free way to stay organized. But what about that main OneDrive folder, the root folder at the top? You might notice that you can't just right-click and rename it. Even in 2025, Windows doesn't let you do that because it's a system link path. That means changing the name directly could break your sync, so Microsoft plays it safe and locks it down. But if you're set on changing that folder name, say for clarity, or if your company switched branding, there is a safe workaround. It'll take a few more steps, but I'll walk you through each one, and I promise it's not as complicated as it sounds. First, you'll need to unlink your OneDrive account from your PC temporarily. To do this, click the OneDrive Cloud icon down near your system clock in the taskbar, then click the Gear or Settings icon. Go into the Account section and you'll see an option to unlink this PC. Click that and OneDrive will pause its syncing. It'll prompt you to sign in again later, but don't worry, your files on this PC won't go anywhere. Now it's time to rename the actual folder. In File Explorer, go to where your OneDrive files are stored. This is usually in C/users/your name. Find the OneDrive Personal or similarly named folder. Right-click it, select Rename, and type in whatever new name you'd like. For example, you could call it OneDrive Home or use your new business name. Hit Enter. Next, go back to the OneDrive app and sign in with your account. When it asks you to set up your OneDrive folder location, you'll see an option called Change Location. Click that. Now choose the folder you just renamed. You'll get a warning that says files already exist in this. It's just OneDrive double-checking you're not pointing it somewhere new by mistake. Go ahead and select Use this folder. And that's it. The root OneDrive folder in File Explorer is now renamed to exactly what you want, and syncing should pick up right where you left off. Just be patient for a moment while things resync. It might take a few minutes if you have a lot of files. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you out or if you hit any bumps along the way, drop a comment below. I do my best to reply and help out. And if you want more tech tutorials like this, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you won't miss out on future tips. See you in the next video.